I am Eric Polley at ericpolley.com, and today we are going to normalize the audio with the normalize effect, getting rid of all those peak parts of your audio clip in Audacity. Let's rock and roll. I have Audacity open with an audio clip, and there are some peaks right here. So let's go ahead and select this whole bit, or Control A to select all of it, and let's go to Effect, and we can go down to Normalize. Now this will give you several options. The important one to me is this one here, the Normalize Peak Amplitude, and this will normalize and get rid of all those peaks. Let's hit apply, and there you go. You can see it has done a pretty good job of normalizing it. You may have to mess around and make this your own. Let's see.
I call an adjustment.
Aha. Now that's some normalized audio. I've been Eric Polley. You have been you. You keep doing that, and I'll see you on the next one.